What's up folks, it's me Afridi Harshad and today we are gonna talk about pants. Pants play a major role in men's style. Almost 50% of our whole outfit is our pant, but still there are plenty of guys who wears the wrong kind of pants with many outfits and for many occasions. If you're someone who thinks that it's okay to wear any kind of pants with any outfits or for any occasions, dude, you are so wrong. You absolutely need to wear the right kind of pants for the right occasions and with the right outfits. But still, you don't need plenty of pants. In my opinion, you only need 5 kind of pants. So for today, I made a list of the 5 pants every man must have in his wardrobe. So before we get into this, please subscribe to the channel because I'm here to help you guys to look and feel your best. So if you're ready, let's see this up. So the first pant every man must have in his wardrobe is a pair of chinos. I made this the first one on the list for a reason. This one piece is so much versatile. A nice pair of chinos goes a long way from a formal meeting to a Sunday night out with your friends. Plenty of guys steps away from chinos because they think that it's same as the formal trousers, but dude, it's not. You could create literally thousands of casual styles with a nice pair of chinos. Also, chinos is a great option for warmer season because they are so breathable, and when it comes to chinos, you literally got hundreds of colors to pick from. But if you're just starting out, I prefer you go for the neutrals, the blacks, the greys, the navies, and next up on the list is of course a pair of distressed denim. This pair is to give an edgy look, a fun vibe to your whole outfit, but please be careful with this. It have a time and a place. Don't ever wear a pair of distressed denim for a formal occasion. Trust me, I've been there and done that. It's so much inappropriate. And no, I'm not talking about those highly distressed denims which will show your whole legs out. Stay away from those. Go for some mildly distressed ones. It's a great way to switch things up. You could just throw on a black tee and still get plenty of eyes on you. And the next pair of pants you need in your wardrobe is a dark wash denim. If you're looking for versatility, this one is the best option for you. With a pair of dark wash denim, you could create endless of different styles. In my opinion, this should be a staple in every man's wardrobe. You could wear it to school, to office, to a formal meeting, to a Sunday night out with your friends. You could literally wear this to any occasion which doesn't require a suit. But don't go for any cuts, rips or anything. Just get simple plain ones. And you could even wear this 5 times a week and mostly no one's gonna find out. And the next one is formal trousers. You couldn't always get away with a casual style. There will be times when you need to rock a classy formal look. And I've seen plenty of guys coming up with black jeans instead of a formal trousers. Dude, yeah, a black jeans might work for dressing up, but when it comes to a really formal, a really classy outfits, you need to bring down the formal trousers. Especially if you're planning to wear a suit. There will always be occasions to wear a suit, and in my opinion, the crop trousers are the best in the game now. They are just awesome. It gives you that best classy look but also make you look more modern, also more stylish. And when it comes to colors, I prefer stick to the neutrals. And the next one you need is a pair of slim fit joggers. I believe that there's no better comfortable pants than a pair of sweats. And no, I'm not talking about those big bulky ugly sweatpants which makes you look like you're done with your life. That's why I said slim fit in the beginning, guys. Sweatpants is becoming a huge trend. So many people are wearing those nowadays. It's everywhere now. Mostly we are inside our house now, so we are wearing this a lot, but also we could style them in a great way. Boys, those were the 5 pants every man must have in his wardrobe. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button down below, and I am waiting for your thoughts in the comment section. So see you later.